Okay, what is Google Docs? Google Docs is basically a Google document like Microsoft Office. It has Microsoft Word. It's the same thing actually, but the difference is that you can actually access it online and everywhere, and you do not have to save your files inside your computers. You can just save it online, and it's available online safely, and nobody can access it. You can set privacy and things like that, which I will show you in a couple of minutes' time. Before we go on further, I'll just want to show you a just 2 minutes video about Google Documents, so at least you have a feel of what it is. Okay, so far, is it okay with every one of you clear about Google Documents and Google Apps? Okay, so just a couple more slides about the introduction, and then we'll do the hands-on section. Okay, everyone now should know what Google Docs are and what it does and what you can do with it. But what is the difference? Many people may just confuse the two things, but don't have to worry. Both are actually the same thing. If you all should be using Microsoft Word, right? So Microsoft Word is actually a software which is installed in your PC. Well, Google Documents is something like that. You can. It's actually the same. It is a word processing application. It's a software, but it is not installed in your PC, but it is online in the internet. So you do not have to install anything. You just need to have your mobile device, your laptop, and your internet to access. So basically, what Google Docs, why Google Docs is different is actually you can access it online with your web browser. And it auto-saves. Yes, it auto-saves. Not like Microsoft Word. You have to, every time you have to save, just in case your laptop dies on you or hangs, or the internet, or suddenly there's a virus in your computer. So you don't have to worry about all that because it auto-saves in a few seconds after you type and everything. It will auto-save and save and save again. And also it's saved securely online. Google saves it on its servers overseas. And also, multiple users, many people can log in and access the same document at the same time. So some of you may already be working on spreadsheets now, I suppose, or a document to work with your colleague, maybe work for a lesson plan for the academics, or there may be budgeting involved that you use spreadsheets. So you can actually use Google Docs instead because you do not have to save different versions. Like you send by email and then your colleagues send to you another version and then send another version, and then everything is confused. Everybody is confused which one is the latest, you know? And there may be missing information and missing data. So if you use Google Documents, everything is saved online and automatically, and at the same time, the different users who have access to this document can edit at the same time. So at any time, maybe your colleague has a meeting, but you're in office. So you can do the same, access the same document and edit. And then your colleague come back and then see your editing, and the colleague can also edit on the same document. We will look at that, how it looks like after this during the hands-on session. Okay, so this is today's agenda, what we'll be covering. But in between, don't worry, we will not go straight. I will give you like 5 to 10 minutes break in between. So at least we'll go through maybe after comment and chat feature, and then after that we'll take a break, and then everyone can try doing their own personal or work-related Google document, and then we can come back together and then go through all the rest of the features. So basically we'll cover how to create and basic editing, share, comment, chat, and revision history. Okay, the good thing about Google Document is that it has revision history, which is why it auto-saves. So when they auto-save, they can actually detect who accessed when and what they edit. This is not to actually point fingers who changed what or who delete what, but this is actually useful if you are doing collaborative work, like if you're teaching, you get your students to write something, an essay, then you can see actually the revision history, who contributed which section, and then you can actually give marks. For the non-academics, what my department, the Center for E-Learning, use is actually, one example is our meeting minutes. We create one document every time for a monthly department meeting, and then each team brings one laptop, and then we type in whatever that was discussed. Because different teams have different abbreviations and understanding of different things, so we can't expect the admin personnel to understand, right? So we all do a collaborative meeting minutes write-up on the spot, and also after that to update. So that's one use of Google Docs. And then you can also download, for those of you who still need to have a PDF version or a Microsoft Word version just to submit to HR or to submit to a different department or outside campus, they still need Word document. You can download Microsoft Office or PDF versions of the document that you worked on. We'll look at that later, and also you can upload a current file and then use it, and then also we'll go through folders, a little bit of that.